Beloved eternal watchman, pause right now. Feel the weight of this moment pressing upon your spirit. The air itself is charged, humming with the fulfillment of ancient promises. What you once whispered in the quiet chambers of your heart, those fervent prayers, those bold declarations born of unshakable faith, they are no longer echoes in the void. No, they are rising. They are manifesting, right here, right now, in the tapestry of your life. You, eternal watchman, were never meant for the shadows of doubt or the chains of unbelief. God hand-picked you, forged you in the fires of trial, and sealed you with his unbreakable covenant. Remember the nights you wept before the throne, crying out for breakthrough? The seasons when the world mocked your visions, labeling them delusions? Oh, but heaven heard every syllable. And now, the veil is tearing. The words you decreed like hidden fire in your bones, they are erupting into blazing reality. Look around you, see it unfolding. The doors that slammed shut are swinging wide on hinges of divine decree. The promises that lingered like distant stars are crashing into your orbit, illuminating every corner of your path. That promotion you decreed in faith is not just knocking, it's storming the gates. That restoration of fractured relationships, bonds are mending stronger than before, woven with threads of supernatural grace. And that healing you declared over your body and soul, vitality is surging through your veins like rivers of living water. But here's the revelation that's shaking the foundations. The skeptics can no longer deny it. Those who once turned their backs, who whispered scorn behind closed doors, who built walls of skepticism around your calling, their eyes are opening. Not by your striving, but by the undeniable glory of God radiating from you. The doubters are stunned into silence. The skeptics are dropping to their knees. Even your fiercest adversaries? They're witnessing the hand of the Almighty moving through you, and it terrifies them. For in your obedience, you've become a living testament, a mirror reflecting heaven's justice, forcing the world to confront the truth they've long ignored. Eternal watchman, this is your hour of vindication. The spiritual realm is aligning. Angels are dispatched at your side, warring on your behalf. No more delays, no more almosts. Everything you decreed is now manifesting, friendships forged in purpose, resources flowing like manna from above, and influence expanding to realms you never dreamed. But heed this, with great unveiling comes greater responsibility. Guard your heart. Discern the voices clamoring for your attention. Stay rooted in the word, for the enemy prowls, desperate to dim your light. So rise, eternal watchman. Step into the fullness of this unfolding destiny. Declare it aloud. What I decreed in faith is manifesting now, and the world shall see the glory of God through me. If this word resonates in your spirit, like, share, and subscribe for more revelations straight from the Father's heart. Type manifest in the comments to affirm your breakthrough. Heaven is watching and moving.